It will give for only for, actually whatever we write in the script, it is commands only, right?
Hmm.
Right. So echo dollar checks the previous output, okay, if it is successful or not. Okay, actually this is also successful. It is considering it successful, but we'll see how to get something failed. Okay, so like if the file doesn't exist or file exists, something like that, we'll see somewhere else now.
Okay.
But yeah, so conditional statements in bash, like any other programming languages, so it is simple. It starts with if and ends with fi, the reverse of it. Okay, so this is the condition. This is the syntax for if, only if. Okay, if then. Okay, so after the condition we should write the semicolon. So when we learn different programming languages, sometimes it needs semicolon, sometimes it doesn't, but okay, but most of the programming languages are written like this only when we want to check some conditions. Okay, so here we are checking some condition. If it uh, means based on that condition, it gives some output. Okay, but it is giving the output only if it is true. Okay, but due to some reason we need multiple conditions. Okay, so if condition 1, then run this, else run condition this. If both doesn't, then this one. Okay, if then else, elif, then else fi. Okay, so generally if then else and fi is written, elif is not much written. Okay, so it depends. Okay, so else statement, similarly here it is given the same thing with else. Okay, so here again we'll check the comparison. Okay, so based on comparison we'll print the result. Okay, so this is proper, but remember it has to be written in this square brackets. So here we are setting number 1 as 10, number 2 as 13, and equal to operators. Okay, so what it will do, if the number 1, it checks if number 1 is equal to number 2, then it will echo number 1 is equal to number 2, else it will just write it is not equal to. Okay, similarly not equal to, first it checks not equal to, then less than, greater than. Okay, less than, equal to, and greater than equal to. Okay, so it will give the result properly. Let's run it quickly. So here what is important, hyphen gt, hyphen le, these are some syntaxes we should remember. So cat condition dot sh bash condition dot sh. So instead of chmod, so it is properly giving the output.